Welcome back to Silicophilic. You find a Turkish series everyone is talking about. The story looks amazing, the reviews are everywhere, and you are ready to start watching. But then comes the problem. The show is either locked behind a subscription, unavailable in your country, or you cannot find a reliable place with proper subtitles. If you are a fan of Turkish dramas, you probably know the struggle. That is why, in this video, I will show you the best legal platforms where you can watch Turkish series, discover new dramas, and follow your favorite shows without relying on unsafe websites. So let's get started. Before we start, are these free Turkish series websites safe? Before jumping into the list, there is something important to understand. When searching for free Turkish series, you will find hundreds of websites, but many unofficial websites are used copied content, aggressive ads, fake download buttons, and unsafe redirects. The platforms I am showing today are different. These are either official broadcasters, legal streaming services, drama tracking platforms, platforms with free ad-supported content. So you can enjoy Turkish dramas without worrying about unsafe sources. Watch Turkish series on PuhuTV. If you love Turkish dramas, PuhuTV is another platform worth checking. PuhuTV is a Turkish streaming service that offers a collection of Turkish series and shows. The platform became popular because it provides many Turkish products online. To use it, open the PuhuTV website. If the page appears in Turkish, simply right-click anywhere on the page. From the menu, select Translate to English. The whole site will instantly switch to English, making it easy to browse and understand. Once translated, log in or create an account. Browse the available shows, select the series you want to watch, start streaming. Many titles are available with free access supported by advertisements. However, availability can depend on your location and licensing agreements. So if you cannot access a specific show, it may be due to regional restrictions. To bypass it, you can use the Opera browser's built-in VPN. Just switch the location to Turkey or another region where the show is available. Refresh the page and you are good to go. Watch Turkish dramas free on Tubi. Now here is another legal way to watch Turkish dramas online for free with Tubi. Open your browser and go to the official Tubi website or download the Tubi app. Sign up for free account and it only takes a minute. Use the search bar and type the name of the Turkish drama you want to watch. Click on the series page, select the episode and press play. The best part, Tubi is completely free. It's an ad-supported platform, so you don't need a subscription or credit card. It's a legal streaming service owned by Fox Corporation. You will find a mix of Turkish dramas, movies and international shows. The interface is simple, so browsing and watching is quick and easy. However, availability can vary depending on your region. Some titles may not show up everywhere because of licensing agreements. You can use Opera browser and the built-in VPN for that. So if you are a fan of Turkish dramas, Tubi is one of the easiest and safest ways to stream them free. Watch Turkish series on YouTube. The common place many people forget about is YouTube. YouTube is not only for clips and trailers. Many Turkish television networks and production companies upload official episodes, highlights, and series content directly on their channels. To watch, open YouTube, search for official Turkish network channels. Some popular examples include ATV, Kanal D, and Show TV. Many official channels upload episodes, clips, and selected content. Depending on the series and region, subtitles may be available through native English subtitles, auto-generated subtitles, and community subtitles. The biggest advantage is that YouTube is easy to access. You can watch from computer, mobile, and smart TV. No extra app is required. Just make sure you are watching from the official channel and not a re-uploaded copy. Now let me share a simple trick. When searching, instead of typing only Turkish drama, try with Turkish series official English subtitles or Turkish drama full episode official. This helps you find official uploads instead of random copies. Also check the uploader. If it is the official network channel, it is usually a safer option. Use Dizilah to discover Turkish series. Now this is one which is slightly different. Dizilah is not a streaming website. It does not host episodes. Instead, think of it like IMDb but focused on Turkish televisions. It helps you discover new Turkish dramas, track episodes, read news, check cast information, and follow upcoming releases. If you are someone who always asks, what Turkish drama should I watch next? Dizilah can help you find new shows. Once you discover a series, you can search for it on official platforms like YouTube or legal streaming services. Now there are certain things you should remember. Free access does not always mean every episode of every show will be available. Some platforms may have ads, region restrictions, premium episodes, different availability by country. This depends on broadcasting rights. A show available in one country may not appear in another. Watching Turkish series legally for free is possible instead of searching through unreliable websites. These platforms give you a safer and better viewing experience. So whether you enjoy romance, thriller, family drama, or historical Turkish series, there are plenty of ways to start watching. If this guide helped you find a new way to watch Turkish dramas, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Silicophilic for more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.